Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode. I'm out on the pond, not the pond. I'm out on the pond again this morning, and I'm got my coffee, a new kayak, and I'm looking for stuff to photograph. Hopefully, we can find a beaver or an otter or something. There are eagles around. I don't think there are any more ospreys. I think they've headed south. But I have a couple modifications here I'll show you, and yeah, sun's coming up soon. Heading in that direction. Looking for some beaver. Well, we got a beaver lodge right on the edge here. Across from me. No beaver yet. Still no beaver. Do got my trusty coffee though. Sun's poking through. It's absolutely beautiful out here with these colors. This whole side of the river is I keep calling it different things. The whole side of this river is, well, all just lit up. It's incredible. There's like a beam of light coming in. And I don't think I could capture it with the GoPro, or I've been taking some shots with the telephoto lens. This is just stunning. Haven't seen any wildlife, but this is so worth it just to get out here in this. Just incredible. I mean, just beautiful. No wildlife, but that's okay for sure. This is amazing. I got nothing to do today but be right here. That's pretty amazing. Just remember to have some snacks in the packs. Stole some of my grandson's cereal bars. Yuck, yuck, yuck. This pumpkin walks into a bar. Cereal bar. Trader Joe's. Contains milk, soy, wheat, peanut, almonds, cashews, and coconuts. Peanuts? I thought he had a peanut allergy. May contain peanuts. Just had to change the battery in the GoPro. I got this little GoPro box. It's somewhat waterproof, but it carries all my little gadgets and batteries and extra GoPro and stuff. My blade. Anyway, one thing I've learned is you always do a sound check after you change a battery. Make sure your audio's still working, because I've lost audio like many times. So yeah, pro tip. After a battery change, do a little test, a little sound check. Yeah, this comes in handy, and I got just so much room in here. Anybody behind me? Okay. Gear review here. This is a Yak-Attack? Yak-Attach. I don't know what it is. Brand. Yak-Attack brand. And it's built to mount onto these. And this is just fantastic. I want to just grab onto the camera. Nice and solid. That's not going anywhere. I like it. That was a good purchase. I think it was like $39 at Bass Pro, something like that, 30 bucks. I forget exactly, but it just clips right on there. Me likey. And my other new purchase was the coffee cup holder. Same deal. Yak-Attack, I think. Yak-Attack. Clips right on there, screws in right to this rail. Has a little fitting. Let's see. Little fitting on there that screws right in. Screws right in. Bingo. Ta-da. Okay, we are headed downriver. I don't know which way we're going. I turned around. Actually, technically the current's flowing that way. This is I don't know what I said before. Canal? This is a canal. Goes that way. The pond is up this way. So I've turned around. You got the sun on that side, lighting up the beautiful trees. Still got some coffee left. I'm shocked that we haven't seen any beaver. I was certain that was going to happen. Anyway, that's the breaks. Beautiful. Hopefully got some good images with the long lens and the foliage. The trees with the reflections. It looks really nice. So yeah, we're heading this way. I'm happy with my new additions to the kayak. Still looking, I got some toolboxes and stuff I want to rig up too for the front. So yeah, it's getting there though. I got my GoPro Hero 8 set up. I've been trying to catch some fish, like video some fish or any kind of aquatic life underwater. I have no idea what it's catching, but it's kind of fun. So we shall see. In the weeds here. I mean, I can see fish down there, but I can't see what the camera sees. And I'm going to go up to that beaver lodge and see if I can get some footage of that underwater. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, so I just like, where are we? See what we can catch. Yeah, so this is fun. I know I've caught some fish. I don't know what it's going to look like, but this is pretty awesome. Should do like a whole episode just underwater, like Jacques Cousteau. Yeah, get a snorkel. We're coming up on that beaver lodge, so we'll get some footage of that. Should be cool. Head back to the boat ramp, but got a little ways to go. Probably gone 3 or 4 miles already. This time next week, we will be in Lake Umbagog National Wildlife Refuge, and hopefully find some moose. Continue my quest to get some moose photos. So far, I've been quite unlucky. Some kind of duck flying by. Yeah, we're looking for the beaver lodge right now. Take some underwater footage of that. Finishing up my coffee, and yeah, next week should be epic. We're going to camp out, my brother and I, a remote site on the lake that you can only get to by paddling. So that's exciting. So we're going to paddle upriver, get to the site, and spend a couple of nights there. Should be epic. It's going to be cold, in the 30s or lower. Who knows, may snow. There may be some challenges. It's duck hunting season, so there's duck hunters there. But yeah, it's like a dark sky, official dark park, so could do some night photography right from the campsite. It's gonna be great. That's next week. But this week we are trying to find that beaver lodge. Okay, with the footage of the beaver lodge, I think that was pretty uneventful. I will see you next time. We will be up at Umbagog National Wildlife Refuge, so that should be fun. Stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. As always, like and subscribe if you like and subscribe. Anyway, yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.